Plot: the novel Woman at a Point Zero by Nawal El Saadawi tell the story of Firdaus, an Egyptian woman who is imprisoned and awaiting execution for the killing a pimp named Marzouk. The story is told from the perspective of a psychiatrist who is intrigued by Firdaus because of her extremely reserved nature and her difference from others prisoner. After several attempts to get close to her, Firdaus finally agreed to tell her life story. From a young age, she grew up in poverty and frequently experienced violence, mutilation, which made her suffering even more severe as an adult. She was forced to marry an older man who often abused her, leading her to decide to flee. Firdaus then entered the world of prostitution, and it was only then that she felt she had control over her own life. However, this freedom did not last long as she was forced to work for a cruel pimp named Marzouk. To escape Operation Firdaus kill Marzouk, she was arrested and sentenced to death. Until the end, her life Firdaus remained strong, did not reject her action, and feared her death as the final act of resistance against the injustice inflicted upon women. Next, the character in the novel Woman at the Point Zero. Uh, First, the Firdaus. Firdaus, the main character, they have a character a strong, brave woman who has experienced trauma. She has endured various forms of oppression and violence, but continue to strive for freedom and self-respect. Firdaus is portrayed as a resilient figure who is not afraid of death and choose the fight against the system that oppression women. Next, psychiatrist research who seek to understand Firdaus. He witnessed Firdaus life journey, and next character Firdaus fathers, a symbol of the traditional patriarchy, often committing physical and emotional violence against his family. Next, Firdaus' uncle, a figure who initially protect her but later sexual abuses Firdaus. Next, Firdaus' husband, a rock old a man who frequently beat Firdaus and treat her inhumanly. Next is Marzouk, a pimp who exploited to torturous Firdaus physically and psychologically, eventually leading to his death and Firdaus' hand. Last, Ibrahim, Firdaus' co-worker who was once her lover, but eventually betrayed her for personal ambition. So next, the explain connection this novel and feminine movement. This novel has strong ties to the feminine movement, particularly in terms of fighting for freedom, independence, and women's rights. Although woman at point zero is often considered representative of radical feminism because it shows total rejection of the patriarchal system that oppresses women in various areas such as family, education, work, and social sexuality. And there are actually elements of moderate feminism it is as well. Moderate feminine values are evident in Firdaus' effort to obtain an education, work, and control her own life and body. Moderate feminism itself emphasizes to the struggle for gender equally toward social change, education, and law. Uh, in this story, Firdaus tries to escape oppression by studying and working, and dares to demand her own right, even though the ultimately remain trapped in the patriarchal system. Thus, this novel can be seen as a harsh critic of the social injustice faced by women, and well as call for change, whether moderate or radical, to achieve freedom and justice for women. So, the last about the moral message of this novel. In my opinion, is the courage to fight against injustice, especially that experienced by women. Firdaus teaches us that even though the social system is oppressive and repressive, a person can still choose to stand firm and maintain their dignity. Firdaus' story also remind us that woman freedom and dignity do not come easy, but must be fought for with great sacrifice. This novel has made me aware of how important support, solidarity are the women who experience oppression, as well the need for comprehensive change in the system so that women can live more freely and with dignity. Additional, this novel emphasizes the importance of education and feminine awareness to us to free women from the shackles of patriarchy. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye bye.